Now, before we begin, I have an apology to make to Ari. First, the words that end in Y when you add ES, S, or ED, those do change the Y to I. However, when you're adding ING, you do not change the Y to I. For example, flying. Instead of changing it to FLING, it stays FLYING. So when you add S, ES, or ED, the Y changes to an I. But when you add ING, the Y stays the same. Number 1, tries. She always tries to win. Tries. 2, tried. I tried to draw that picture. Tried. 3, trying. We are trying to fix this. Trying. 4, dries. It always dries faster in the sun. Dries. 5, dried. Do you like dried cranberries? Dried. 6, drying. The pictures are still drying. 7, hurries. Francine hurries home after school. Hurries. 8, hurried. Justin hurried to finish his shopping. Hurried. Number 9, hurrying. We are hurrying. Hurrying. 10, studies. The student studies for all her tests. Studies. Number 11, studied. We studied all afternoon. Studied. 12, studying. I like studying artwork at the museum. Studying. 13, plays. Who plays on your team? Plays. Number 14, played. My neighbor played basketball with the pros. Played. 15, playing. You are not playing that game again. Playing.